you guys, in today's video, we'll be testing out a mask that has one ingredient. Literally, I bought it. I did buy this with my own money. I am a YESSTYLE partner now, but I did buy this one with my first batch with my own money so I can start testing out, you know, weird masks and stuff like that again. But now I'm a YESSTYLE partner, and you can go on YESSTYLE, which has clothes, makeup, skincare, accessories, like everything, and you can use code Micaylah for money off. I'll leave it on the screen. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I did buy this with my own money, but yes, now I'm a YESSTYLE partner, which I love YESSTYLE. I've used them since I started YouTube. So yeah, full face of YESSTYLE makeup coming soon. Not sponsored, but I'm an affiliate. Yeah. So let's get into this. And you know, just make sure you do it just to support me. You know, it's free. Okay, so the mask that we'll be testing out does have one ingredient, and it's from YESSTYLE. It's called Pestlo. It's from the brand Pestlo. This is the Seed Real Collagen Mask, which collagen does not absorb through your skin. It's too big of a molecule to absorb through your skin, but I thought this was cool anyway, so I was like, let's do it. Let's see if it hydrates my skin at least. My skin is super dry today. Like, it's been so dry. I think I'm having I have the eczema that like little itty bitty bumps come up and it's really flaky, but it's not noticeable unless you like right up on my face. Those came up today, like right here and around my nose, and definitely a whole bunch right here. So we're gonna see if this like will do me some good in hydrating it. And it looks fun to apply. So it says the Real Seed Collagen Mask, essential ingredients and function, the essence of ancestors' wisdom. And then it says Pestlo pursues to gain the knowledge of philosophy of ancestor which was already defined for a while. That don't make no sense, but that's what it says. I'm serious. Verified ingredients and refining process are able to give the trust and honesty. I feel like that's broken English, but you can go to pestlo.com to get this mask, but I'll link it down below on YESSTYLE. I believe it was like, I don't even know how much it was. Let me see, because I have it up right here. The Pestlo mask is actually $5.44. So this mask with one ingredient is $5.44. So I'll link it down below. Literally $5.44. And it has 60 reviews, 60 reviews. It's 5 stars, and it's actually $6.80, but it's on sale for 20% off, which ends soon. And it's on sale for $5.44. But you can use my code to get the money off. So yeah, it has 4.2 stars, excuse me, but yeah, 4.2 stars. So on the box it says that this mask is a natural collagen of 100% natural seaweed seeds, supports elasticity, suppleness, and firmness for a youthful look. And then it says caution for external use only, keep out of reach of children, avoid eye contact, discontinue if signs of irritation appear. And then it's how to use. Pour 30 ml of water into the seed pack and stir them with a spatula until pack thickens. Apply mask onto clean face using your fingertips and avoid the eye area. Remove after 15 to 20 minutes. Massage gently with light motion. No need to rinse. So we'll see. This looks interesting. Like, this looks so interesting, and I'm so excited for it. I gave my cousin the other one because she's all about ingredients. Y'all, it's literally just seeds. That's so weird. Okay, so like when I move my finger like this on the outside, it like moves the seeds on the inside. That's weird. But like, I almost dropped this and I would have been real upset. But it's literally nothing but seeds. Like, that is so weird. Okay, so we're gonna add some water to this. I have it in my Wake Up and Makeup mug from L'Oreal, but we're gonna add just the tiniest amount. I'm really scared I'm gonna add too much. So we're just gonna add this. I know it's gonna come on that. I'm literally like this because I know it's gonna come out the end of the mug. Like, oh. So I just add a little bit and we're gonna stir it around. So I just add a little bit and we're gonna stir it around like this. Okay, it's thickening up, but not by much. Like, unappetizing actually. So that's what we're doing so far. Okay, that's what we got. A little bit more water because that's not enough, obviously. Okay, so I added a little bit more water and I'm stirring it. It's getting thicker. I'm guessing this is supposed to be like a gel consistency. I need more water. Like, literally, I'm gonna have seeds everywhere. Okay, this reminds me of chia seeds. 100% it does. Okay, so you have this big ball like this, but I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be in a big ball like this. So I'm gonna stir it up, add more water, change my camera battery, and then we'll be back and apply it. Okay, you guys, so I really don't like the consistency of this because I hate slimy stuff. I'm gonna show y'all, okay? Take it out of the cup. Oh my God, this feels so wrong. Look at this. Like, look at this. This is what the mask is looking like. That looks so... I hate slimy stuff so much, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna break this into 3 pieces and put it on my face. So that's what we're gonna do next. No residue on my hands, actually. And I did do it with warm water, so. Okay, so it's literally like, I doubt this is gonna fall apart. So like, you guys, oh my God, this feels so wrong. This is so... Okay, so we're gonna roll this one into a ball. And oh my goodness, that actually feels really good. And then we're gonna apply it to the skin. And then we're just gonna press it out. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this really sticks on too. Get away from my mouth. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna keep the seeds all together. So, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna apply the rest of this because it seems to be moving while I'm talking, and then I'll come right back, okay? Well, I'm gonna speed through it. So I'm gonna apply the rest of this in like 200% speed, okay? Okay, don't go nowhere. I'm never gonna get used to this. Things we do for you too. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this. Okay, y'all, so as you see, this looks absolutely kind of nasty, but I enjoyed putting that on. Like, this feels so good. Like, just from how relaxing it is, I highly recommend it because of the fact that it was so therapeutic. It feels good. It's actually, you'd think it'd be messy. It's only messy if you like spill the seeds in the beginning, but not messy at all. My face feels super relaxed because it's kind of like, because it's such a dense product, it feels like someone's pressing on my face and it feels so good. Like, I can feel my sinuses draining and my eyes like kind of draining, like around my eyes kind of draining. Even though I didn't put it around my eyes, I feel this pressure being released. And honestly, it's easy to talk in. It was very mess free. Once it's wet, it's absolutely mess free. And yeah, I really am excited to get more of these because of the fact that I actually really like this. Like, even just for it to be so therapeutic, it's really well. But as I was moving around, it was easy to mold into each other like Play-Doh. It was super easy, super fast, super quick. Well, it wasn't too fast, like, because I'm like a perfectionist and my mask always has to be like, you know, symmetrical, which I couldn't do with this mask. But I'm gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll come back and I'll tell you how my skin is. Before, my skin was very crepey, very dry, a little bit irritated because I did plug my eyebrows just now, but not too bad, no breakouts or anything. So we'll see if my skin is super hydrated, because it should be. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and I'm pretty sure I can talk through the next 5. So I came back. It actually feels really comfortable. It didn't slide at all. Like, it didn't slide at all. And I actually found the like benefits of it in English. So it's a collagen mask formulated with 100% natural botanically derived collagen without extraction and refinement process that reacts with water and enhances skin elasticity. Which we can debunk that right now, because collagen does not go through the skin. You have to ingest it for it to do its benefits. Thank you. But this is what I wanted. Deeply hydrates the skin from within, restoring firm and plump skin. That's what I needed. That's what I need right there. And then it delivers a cooling effect to soothe irritated skin and helps tighten pores for a smooth skin texture with a dot. I need that right now, because my skin is always irritated and my pores are very large, so your girl needed that. So we're just gonna move this. I'm just gonna put it back in this cup. I'm really scared to remove this. I don't know why, but here we go. Okay. Oh, that's not that bad. It kind of low-key kind of dries on your skin, like a peel-off mask, but because it's so thick, it doesn't completely dry. It's really easy to take off. Okay. All right, it's not painful at all. And of course I'm dropping stuff everywhere. There are some seeds left on my face, which I'm gonna have to rinse off. Now left forehead. Okie dokie, that's gross. I told my boyfriend I'm filming this and I was like, this is kind of, you know, I don't like slimy stuff. And he was like, what is it? And I just showed it. I sent him a picture. I was like, So this is the mask that we had on our face. I'm gonna wash these seeds off my face and I'll be right back. Hey, look, it's my numbers, 222. Me and my mom send pictures back and forth to each other. So let's send a photo of 222. There you go. So my skin, it actually feels really, really firm. Like, it feels tight. Let's look up close and personal. My skin is not irritated at all. It's just like tickled coming off. And my skin feels really smooth. My pores don't look visibly smaller, but they feel tight. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, do you understand what I'm saying? I hope you guys understand. I'm talking to you like you're gonna reply back to me right now. Don't mind me. But my skin definitely looks much smoother. Feels amazing. Like, it doesn't feel dry. It feels hydrated, like super hydrated. All that extra dead skin I had on my face is gone. Like my chin, smooth as it can be with blackhead congestion, you know. Yeah, my skin feels really good. So I highly recommend this one. This is a go. Like, it's a go. Like, I want more of this. I really do. Like, I need some more. And my boyfriend said that it looks nasty. Yeah, definitely go try this out. $6-7, you know. Use my code Micaylah for some money off. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.